Welcome students. Today we all are here with our chapter that is triangle exercise 7.2. This chapter is from our NCERT book class 9. So question number 5 till 1 to 5 we have discussed in the previous video. Now today we will discuss question number 6. So just have a look what question number 6 is. A triangle is given to us that a triangle ABC, it is an isosceles triangle in which AB and AC both are equal. And this side BA, it is produced to point D such that AD is also equals to AB. Now we have to prove that BCD is a right angle. Means this angle, it is a right angle. Okay, so this triangle BCD, it is a right angle triangle at point C. So just see the solution. We will discuss the solution. Given, what is given to us? In triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. Okay, and the another thing that is given to us that AD is equals to AB. Okay, now to prove angle BCD is 90 degree. Okay, now we will prove it. For proving, first of all, it is given to us that AB is equals to AC. If AB is equals to AC, it implies that angle ACB is equals to angle ABC. And the reason is angle opposite to equal side. What is the reason? Angle opposite to equal sides. Okay, so ACB, it is equals to ABC. These two angles are equal. Now, next, what is given to us? It is given to us that AD is equals to AB, but AB is equals to AC. Okay, so AD is also equals to AC. From these two, AD is equals to AC. If AD is equals to AC, then opposite angles, that angle ACD, it is equals to angle ADC. Okay, so these two angles are equal. This you can say it as equation 1. This is equation 2. And the reason is angle opposite to equal sides. Okay, so these two angles are equal. Now see what we will do. We will add equation 1 and 2. We will add equation 1 and 2. So on adding these equations, we are getting that angle ACB plus angle ACD is equals to angle ABC plus angle ADC. Okay, now see, ACB and ACD, it includes whole angle. Okay, these two angles are also equal. ACB and ACD. So you can say it as angle BCD is equals to angle ABC plus angle ADC. Okay, now see what we need. We need BCD is a right angle triangle. Okay, so we have two methods. First of all, we can add BCD in both, or you can again take this whole triangle and sum of all the angles, that is equals to 180. Okay, but you can say that in triangle BCD, okay, what the things are there? Angle DBC plus angle BDC plus angle BCD, it is equals to 180. And the reason is, what is the reason for it? Angle sum property. Reason is angle sum property. Now DBC, just see DBC, okay, and BDC and BCD, these three angles we are having. So just see here the equation, when we correlate the things with this equation, just see what we are getting in this. So from this equation, just see, if you say it as equation third, just see, DBC and ABC both are same, BDC and ADC both are same, only we have extended it. So instead of these two, what we can write? We can write this BCD. What we can write? BCD. If you consider this as equation third, so instead of these two, ABC it's equals to DBC and ADC it is equals to BDC. So instead of these two, what we can write? BCD. So when we change BCD plus angle BCD is 180. Or what you can say, that 2 angle BCD is 180. And when you solve it, then angle BCD is 90 degree. So from here we get that this angle, this is 90 degree. So it is proved that angle BCD is 90 degree. Now we will discuss our question number 7. So this is our question number 7. Question number 7 is ABC. It is given to us, it is in right angle triangle. Angle A, it is 90 degree and AB is equals to AC. What we have to find out? We have to find out the remaining angle, that angle B and angle C. So just have a look. First of all, we will take this triangle, what is given to us in triangle ABC. What is given to us? That AB is equals to AC. Okay, so if AB is equals to AC, what it implies? That angle opposite to AB, it is angle C, it is equals to AC, opposite angle is angle B. So these two are equal. Okay, so we will assume for finding that angle B, which is equals to angle C, it is X. This we will assume so that we can find it out. Okay, now we will take it, what we will take in triangle ABC. Okay, what we know? That angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Sum of all these three, it is 180. Okay, now angle A, it is given to us 90. This is X and X. It is equals to 180. You know now why 180 it is there? It is angle sum property of a triangle. It is angle sum property. Okay, so 90 plus 2x, it is 180. From here 2x is 180 minus 90. So we are finding it as 90 degree. So the value of x is 90 upon 2, that is 45 degree. So whatever we have to find out, that angle B and angle C, from here angle B is equals to angle C, it is equals to 45 degree. So this 45 degree is our answer for this question. Whatever the unknown angles are, their value is 45 degree. So now we will discuss our next question, that is question number 8, the last question of our exercise. So this is our question number 8. Question number 8 is, we have to show that angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Okay, till now we know it very well that for equilateral triangle each angle is 60 degree. But here we have to show it. We have to prove that it is like that only. So just see the solution. In triangle ABC, okay, it is an equilateral triangle. So AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. It is given to us. Okay, it is given to us. Now first of all we will take AB is equals to BC. So when we take AB is equals to BC, from here we are getting angle C is equals to angle A. Opposite angles. Okay, opposite angles are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides. Now what we will take similarly? What we take? That BC is equals to CA. Now when we take BC is equals to CA, then again opposite angles. Angle A is equals to angle B. This is our equation second. And the reason is same. Angle opposite to equal sides. Okay, now from these two equation, from equation 1 and 2, when you compare, A is equals to B is equals to C. Okay, now let A, B and C, it is equals to X. Because all three are equal, so we are taking it as X. Okay, so now we will take in triangle ABC. What we know? That angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. And the reason is angle sum property. Okay, so instead of these three we will take x plus x plus x, that is 180 degree, or 3x is 180 degree, and what we are getting, x is 180 upon 3, that is 60 degree. So now from this what we have proved, that all angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, all are 60 degree each. All angles are 60 degree each. So the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Okay, so these are the remaining question of our exercise, that is exercise 7.2. Thank you.